welcome to this explainer. Today we're diving straight into mastering the LCD 20x4 display using the Arduino UNO R4. Now, getting a screen to display exactly what you want might seem a little complex if you're just starting out, but by breaking down the hardware and the software, it actually becomes a really straightforward and rewarding process. We've got 4 quick steps on the agenda today. First, the LCD 20x4 display. Second, wiring the I2C interface. Third, coding with the DIYables library. And fourth, building a smart gate. Let's start with section 1, the LCD 20x4 display, understanding your screen. So what does 20x4 actually mean? Well, it simply refers to the grid layout of the screen itself, giving you exactly 20 columns across and 4 rows down. And here's a crucial thing to remember for later. In programming, both those columns and rows start from an index of 0, not 1. Usually, standard LCDs require this complex, messy bundle of individual wires just to transfer data. But here's where the I2C interface comes in. It's a communication standard that acts a bit like an adapter, letting you connect the screen to your Arduino using just 4 pins. It literally takes all the headache out of the hardware setup, which is an absolute game changer for beginners. Moving right along to section 2, wiring the I2C interface and connecting it to our Arduino UNO R4. Let's walk through exactly where each of those 4 pins needs to go. First, connect the GND pin on your LCD straight to the GND pin on the Arduino. Next, connect VCC, that's your power pin, to the 5V pin. Now for the data communication. Take the SDA pin and hook it up to analog pin A4. And finally, grab the SCL clock pin and connect it to analog pin A5. It's really that simple. Next up is section 3. Coding with the DIYables library, focusing on our software setup. Getting your screen to actually display text breaks down into 4 very logical steps. First up, you'll want to install the DIYables LCD I2C library right in your Arduino IDE. Once that's done, step 2 is initializing the screen with the simple lcd.init command. For step 3, you turn on the built-in screen light using lcd.backlight. And finally, step 4, you just push whatever text you want to the screen using the lcd.print command. And finally, section 4, building a smart gate, where we put it all together. Let's imagine you're building an automated parking gate system. Now that you know how to master visual feedback with a smart display, what automated system are you going to build next with your Arduino? Thank you so much for joining this explainer today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.